yo, as I get back in my home, I'm like, you know, yeah, it's called van life, but for me, this is tin can life in the summer. It's hot as hell right now, 91 degrees, and it's a cool day. So I gotta turn on all the fans, open the doors, and, you know, start to live, you know. But I'm gonna show y'all how packed it is. I just went shopping for a few things, and I just got me a replacement battery. Got me another battery. I got me a cake, a sock it to me cake. And then I went to go get my cold weather bedding. I went in and picked up some supplies. I found a brand new flavor, cream cheese on it. So I'm gonna see how that tastes with the chocolate chip cookies and whatnot, and go and make something. And you know, got my bag. Just got a lot to deal with. And my favorite type of bread for a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, the brioche style piece here. So I'm gonna go on and get everything organized and then keep on living. I might come to you later with a few things, and then I'll have a review for this power generator piece right here. So stay tuned.